What's something people don't know about achieving glass skin? It's easier than you think with these 8 Korean skincare secrets. First up, double cleansing. That's right, wash your face twice. Once with an oil-based cleanser and then with a water-based one. Next, exfoliate gently to keep those pores squeaky clean. Follow up with a hydrating toner to prep your skin. Now, it's essence time. Think of it as a hydration booster. Don't forget to pamper your skin with serums. They're packed with nutrients. Sheet masks? Yes, please. Use them to give your skin an extra moisture kick. And always, always moisturize to lock in all that goodness. Finally, slather on that sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. There you have it, your secret to glowing glass-like skin. Ready to shine?